Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the WYBOT C2 Vision AI camera pool vacuum. I've looked through the internet, checked user feedback, pool maintenance discussions, and real-world robotic cleaner impressions, and I'm going to break everything down and tell you honestly whether this is actually worth buying or just another AI-branded gadget with marketing hype attached to it. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. Right away, the biggest highlight here is the Vision AI camera navigation system. This is what separates the WYBOT C2 from more basic robotic pool cleaners. Instead of relying purely on bump sensors or simple mapping algorithms, it uses onboard camera-assisted navigation to better understand pool layout and optimize cleaning routes. In real-world usage, smarter navigation usually means fewer missed spots, more efficient movement patterns, and less wasted battery life compared to older random motion robots. Another major feature is the full floor-to-waterline cleaning capability. Many lower-end robotic pool cleaners mainly focus on floor cleaning, but this one is designed to climb walls and scrub the waterline as well. Waterline cleaning is especially important because that's where oils, sunscreen residue, and grime tend to build up the fastest. In practical use, having proper waterline cleaning makes the pool look noticeably cleaner overall instead of just having a clean floor. The cordless design is another big convenience upgrade. Traditional robotic pool vacuums often use long floating cables that can tangle during cleaning sessions. A cordless setup removes that issue entirely and makes deployment much simpler. You basically drop it into the pool, let it run, and retrieve it afterward without cable management becoming part of the process. Powerful suction and ultra-fine filtration are also key strengths here. In real-world use, this matters because pools collect a mix of large debris like leaves and tiny particles like sand, dust, pollen, and algae residue. The ultra-fine filtration system is designed to capture smaller contaminants that cheaper filters may miss, which helps improve overall water cleanliness and clarity. Smart path cleaning is another practical feature. Instead of cleaning in inefficient random loops, the robot attempts to create more organized cleaning patterns to maximize coverage. In larger in-ground pools, this can reduce cleaning time and improve consistency. Battery-powered pool cleaners also tend to feel more modern and easier to maintain compared to older wired systems. The glossy black design gives it a more premium and futuristic appearance compared to traditional bulky pool robots, although aesthetics obviously matter less than actual cleaning performance. Now, being honest, there are still a few limitations to keep in mind. First, AI navigation sounds impressive, but real-world performance still depends heavily on pool shape, lighting conditions, wall texture, and debris type. Complex pools with unusual layouts may still challenge navigation systems. Second, cordless pool robots are very convenient, but runtime becomes extremely important. Larger pools may require multiple cleaning sessions depending on battery capacity and cleaning mode. Third, like all robotic pool cleaners, maintenance is still required. Filters need regular cleaning, and long-term reliability depends heavily on proper care and storage. There's also the bigger reality with AI branding and smart cleaning products. In many cases, the improvements are more about better navigation efficiency rather than truly intelligent decision-making. So expectations should stay realistic. So after going through everything online and comparing it with other modern cordless robotic pool cleaners, would I recommend the WYBOT C2 Vision AI camera pool vacuum? Honestly, yes, especially if you want a smarter, cordless pool cleaning experience with wall and waterline coverage, strong filtration, and more advanced navigation than basic robotic cleaners. Overall, the WYBOT C2 Vision AI feels like a modern premium pool robot that combines camera-assisted navigation, cordless convenience, and strong cleaning coverage into a much more automated and user-friendly pool maintenance system for in-ground pool owners who want less manual effort and more consistent cleaning results.